Kia ora, kamusta? Ayan, so dahil weekend ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng time para pumunta sa Sylvia Park. And finally, ayan, nabili na rin natin yung matagal na nating hinahanap, which is Panasonic Noise Cancelling XBS Deep. This features a built-in extra bass system or XBS port which magnifies low-frequency sound. And also, one of the things that I like here is yung noise cancelling reduction niya, especially when we are doing audio recording sounds. Ayan, so i-unbox na natin. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Here's where you can find the volume button, the power on button, Bluetooth, and then charging port. You can also notice here NC, which means noise cancelling button, and the bass button. And ayan, adjustable din naman yung size niya. So pwede na natin itong i-connect sa laptop, sa phone, or even sa smart TV. So this time, susubukan natin siyang i-connect sa smart TV natin. You just need to long press the power on button, and ayan, so pwede na nating i-connect kaagad sa ating smart TV. Kailangan, yan, to be able to connect Bluetooth, so kailangan natin siyang i-press for at least 5 to 7 seconds, ganyan. So kailangan nagbi-blink-blink muna yung lights na yon. So it means searching na for accessories or for devices. So once na nagbi-blink na yung light on na yon, it means nagbi-Bluetooth pairing na siya. Ayan, so kailangan nagbi-blink siya. And dahil mahilig nga rin tayong makinig ng music and gumawa ng mga video recordings and audio sounds, I think this will be very helpful for me. Also, dahil nag-book na tayo ng PTE Academics exam by next month, so kailangan na rin talaga nating mag-review and mag-focus. For me, this could be a great help for me to develop my listening and speaking skills, especially when preparing for the upcoming latest PTE Academics exam, which includes summarized group discussion and respond to a given situation. Soon, I will be sharing with you tips on how to review for the upcoming PTE Academics exam. Follow for more! Don't forget to click like and share. Until next time!